Some other news, the latest episode of the Inside the Ice House podcast has dropped. We always get a Monday drop for commuters. And in this 480th episode, host Lance Glynn sat down with Jeff Simmons, CEO and president of NYSE-listed Elanco. Well, Simmons, who's been with the company for more than 35 years and served as CEO since 2018, highlights Elanco's focus on the science of animal health and how the data ensures their products are safe and effective and keep our pets safe.
It all starts with science. And science is our constant. It is our center pillar of everything we do. Science has to be in the center. It has to have rigor. And we have to have an independent body like the FDA or the EMEA that actually views that science. Why? To assure that, hey, we need to make sure that drug is safe, it's efficacious, it has the right impact on the animal, not the wrong impact. We have the right profile. So I start there to say I believe strongly in a very high bar of science so that when we deliver a product to the industry, they can assure it does what it says it does.
Innovation is at the core of Elanco's mission, driving the development of products that are not only more effective for animals, but also easier for vets and pet owners to administer. Simmons discussed some of the company's latest medicines to hit the market and explains how Elanco is strategically growing its market share in high-value categories.
It's making the solution practical. It's making it easy. It's not making, I don't need to run to the vet or get an injection or I need to take 3 pills to get the same coverage. So Quattro brings coverage. Quattro brings easy use. Quattro brings the fastest tick kill that is out there and the first month worm coverage. These are things some of the other products don't have. Ultimately, a veterinarian can give these products to their customers and know, hey, I'm giving something that's assured. What's exciting on a business side is it's the biggest market. It's a $6 billion market globally. Think tick, flea, heartworm, other worms. That's a $6 billion market. Inside that $6 billion market in the U.S. is this broad spectrum oral, and it is growing like mad. And in the first 3 months, Lance, we've grabbed 10% market share inside the clinic, and we're real excited.
Well, later on, Simmons emphasized the company's commitment to innovation, sharing how Elanco has become a pioneer in developing animal medicines with potential applications in human health.
We start right in the targeted species. So we have an active ingredient. We for instance, have monoclonal antibodies. Ellen de Brabander, our head of R&D, and her team have actually created a great capability using AI and other technology to say, all right, we can target a class of compounds, and then we can target problem areas, but we can put it right into a dog or a cat right away. Where if you think about human medicine, they may need to go through, 3 or 4 other stages. So we can accelerate the science and early stage discovery faster and understand the mode of action faster. And that learnings can be translated into the human side very quickly. And so I actually think this opens a big door of opportunity, Lance, and it's a great question by you to say, hey, we can actually potentially accelerate R&D innovation for human pharma and maybe even plant science as well to solve problems faster. And look for us and other major pharmaceutical companies to continue to collaborate, and we're doing that today.
All right, thanks again to Elanco's CEO Jeff Simmons and Inside the Ice House producer and host Lance Glynn. That podcast releases new episodes every Monday morning on all major